When choosing which reaction is going to be used in order to generate a product on a large industrial scale, a number of factors need to be considered in order to try and make the process as sustainable as possible. If a process is sustainable, it means that we can carry it out now without too much damage to the planet for future generations, and hopefully they'll also be able to use the same processes, because it won't use up too many natural resources. As we've already said, one of these factors is the atom economy, as reactions with higher atom economies will produce less waste and will also need fewer raw materials in order to produce the same amount of a desired product. The second thing to think about is the yield of a reaction, specifically the yield of the desired product. The yield of the reaction tells you about how much of the desired product is formed compared to the total amount of desired product that could be formed, indicating whether any reactants are left unreacted, or any product is lost, or any side reactions are taking place. Using reactions with higher percentage yields means that you need to use fewer reactants. This makes the whole process cheaper. It's no good having a really high yield if the product takes ages to form, and therefore the third factor that needs to be considered is the rate of the reaction. Reactions that have a quick rate are more favourable in industry because they're more time efficient. This means that the product can be produced and used in a shorter time period if the rate of the reaction is faster. If you've seen our video on reversible reactions, you'll know that some reactions are reversible and therefore will form an equilibrium. If a reaction is reversible, it's favourable if changing the conditions of the reaction can be used to shift the equilibrium towards the desired product. For example, you may be able to adjust the temperature or pressure of reaction in order to shift the position of equilibrium between the reactants and the products. It's especially favourable if the conditions...
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make Chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.